Today I'm going to do a demo on GoldRushDecisionSupport, a tool that lets you compare databases to see where there is unique and overlapping coverage. GoldRushDecisionSupport has a knowledge base of over 1,500 title lists from publishers and aggregators. It includes full text and indexing/abstracting title list. When you first log into GoldRushDecisionSupport, you will see a list of database titles in the order of when they were last updated. The most recent databases appear first in the list. You can search for a particular title in the list or download the list in a variety of formats. One thing to note is that GoldRush only compares titles with ISSNs. Anything such as a pamphlet, report, podcast that doesn't have an ISSN is not included in the comparison. Also, GoldRush only compares journals, not ebooks. To compare databases, click on the Compare button on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to start off by comparing Academic Search Complete to Academic Search Premier, two EBSCO databases. And I start by typing the name of the database, and then you'll want to select it from the list that comes up instead of just typing enter. I click the Compare button. So once the comparison runs, you'll notice, first thing you might notice is that this is a full text comparison. You can also do full text and citation or citation only. So you'll also notice that there's quite a bit more content in Academic Search Complete than there is in Academic Search Premier, with 3,884 more unique titles in Academic Search Complete. So you may be wondering what those unique titles are. And so you can click on the bar graph, or you can click on the unique titles from the table below. So once you click on the titles, on the bar or the titles, then it comes back on screen, and you'll see the list of titles. You can expand the listing with this drop-down box at the bottom of the screen, or you can also sort the list by the column headers. And so, for example, if you want to see which titles have embargoes, you can do that. You can also search for a particular title within the list, or you can download the list in a variety of formats. So I'm going to click the back button to return to my graph. And you'll want to use the buttons within the software rather than the back button on the browser, because that takes you all the way out of the software. And so I'm going to click Clear. You can also use GoldRushDecisionSupport to run multiple comparisons. So I'm going to compare local holdings from one university to JSTOR, a couple of JSTOR databases. Before I click Compare, I'm going to click the email the results to myself, and then click Compare. And it's nice to have the emailed results when you're doing multiple comparisons. It comes back in one nice workbook with a lot of different worksheets, and it's much easier to read. And so again, you'll notice that Pacific Lutheran local holdings, there's a lot more titles than there are in the JSTOR, the two JSTOR collections. And so you may be wondering what's unique in JSTOR. So I'm just going to click on that list. And then again, the titles come back right there on screen. And one of the things you'll notice is that you have to toggle to see the dates of the two different databases. So right now we're looking at JSTOR Arts and Sciences 1 collection and what's unique. And then if we want to see the second set or the second database, you can toggle to see those. And then again, you have the same features. You can search for a journal, or you can download the entire list in one of these formats above. You can also use GoldRush to compare citation databases. So I'm going to take two citation-only databases and compare them, Biological Abstracts versus Web of Science. And again, the comparison comes back, citation only, And then you can see that Web of Science has quite a few more titles than biological abstracts. So this is the end of the demo, and for further questions about GoldRush Decision Support, or if you would like to set up a trial, please contact the Colorado Alliance. Also, please check out the GoldRush page on the Alliance website to find out about the other modules that we license, which include the GoldRush Journal Finder and Link Resolver, and the GoldRush Subscriptions module, or ERM. Thanks for viewing this demo.